Hey everybody, it's your girl Mia, and as always, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification wherever it is to keep up with what your girl's doing, because I'm extra as hell and I'm always doing a lot. What are we doing today? We're doing an unboxing of the Spring FabFit Fun Box. Lego. What is the FabFit Fun Box? It is a seasonal subscription service geared towards beauty, fitness, health, and wellness. And this is what it looks like. This is the spring box. Isn't this pretty, you guys? It is flipping huge. The box is $49.99 per season. You get 4 boxes per year. Now, if you decide to do the annual service, that is $179.99, and you have your 4 boxes for the year all taken care of. But you're going to get 4 boxes per year, 1 for each season. And again, we have the spring box right here. I will have the link to their website in the description box down there somewhere, so you guys can check them out. One of the cool things I really like about this box is when I signed up, it gave me the option to customize some of the items that would be in my box. But you know me, your girl likes a couple of surprises. So I did pick 1 or 2 things, but there's also some surprises in this box that I don't know about. I am super excited to get into this box. Oh, and also another thing they're known for, they claim that this box contains over $200 worth of items. Okay, so we're gonna get in here and see. I got my trusty box cutter over there. We're gonna get into this box. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pop the top, shall we? Ooh, look at that. Can we just get into this? Can we just get into this for a minute? Oh my God, the packaging is beautiful. And the first thing I see off the top is the Spring FabFit Fun magazine, which has the beautiful Venus Williams on the cover. Yes, ma'am. So we're definitely gonna be reading that. And then also what we have here, we have a coupon from HelloFresh, and you know we love coupons. So we've got that right here. New Year Fresh You, $50 gift card. Looks like 25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. So we got that. Definitely gonna check that out. We have the beautiful tissue paper here with the FabFit Fun sticker on it. We're gonna go ahead and pop that open. I love subscription boxes, you guys. It's like Christmas every month, or in this case, 4 times a year. Oh, y'all. Let me just say, first of all, that I purchased this box with my own coin. This is not a sponsored video, nothing of the sort. Now, if they want to sponsor me, holla at your girl. But this is completely unbiased, unsponsored, my own coin, okay? And let me just say, opening up the box off the bat, ooh, child. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I'm seeing right off the top, this is from a company called the Two Bandits, and it looks like it's a necklace. Are you all seeing that? That is so pretty. It's a silver chain, it has a little bar on it. It looks like opal, but I'm honestly not sure. It is really, really pretty. See if the camera will focus in on that. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, you all, but it is so pretty. Okay, so far so good. We're gonna go ahead and get into the next item. What am I seeing here? Okay, the next item is from Dr. Brandt, and this is called Needles No More, No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. And that's what that looks like. And if you guys know me, you know I'm all about the skincare, so definitely want to check this out. It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Okay, that's a big deal for me. All right, definitely gonna check that out. The next item I'm seeing, let's see what we have here. I don't know what this is, y'all. It's in the black. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what's going on. Oh, okay, this is the item that I did pick out, and it is from the company P in Australia, and this is a bad pair of sunglasses, ladies and gentlemen. I did pick these out. If you didn't know about Mia, there are two things that I absolutely love, and that's a cute bag and sunglasses. And yes, I picked these out. Nice pair of gray aviators. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm feeling these. I've heard a lot of things about Quay, Australia, so I love the fact that I was actually able to try out their sunglasses. And I must say, I really, really like these. I don't wear aviators that often, but I'm definitely gonna have to start. Oh, it's fantastic. And I love the carrying case that they come in. So that's what that is. Nice carrying case to keep those in, make sure they don't get scratched. Okay. Definitely, definitely love those. Okay, so the next item I'm seeing. Oh, this is an eye mask, a sleep mask. I love these. And I don't think I own one. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Pretty teal color with the stars on it. I can feel the cooling beads on the inside. Trying to see if I have a company name here. Understated Leather. Okay, so the company's called Understated Leather. Oh, these are so pretty. And like I said, I can feel the gel on the inside. It has a nice cooling feeling to it, cooling sensation. Very well made. This is so pretty, you all. I'm not even gonna lie, this is my first FabFitFun box, and I am already very, very impressed. And we're not even done. I'm still pulling stuff out this box, folks, so let's keep it going, shall we? So the next item I have is from a company called Daily Concepts, and this is called a Daily Detox Massage Brush. Let's see if we can get any information on this. Let's see. Okay, so you're supposed to use this brush in circular motions all over the body in order to stimulate circulation and to eliminate layers of dead skin. Designed to exfoliate and smooth skin to improve overall appearance of skin. Okay, so this is an all-over massage brush. It's got nice firm bristles, and it looks like it also has some firm plastic pieces on it as well. Says this is the level Vigorous, so this is gonna get the blood circulation and slough off that dead skin, which, you know, summertime is coming, ladies and gentlemen, so we need to get them elbows, knees, and legs right, okay? Okay. The next item I have is, what is this? Ouai? Don't give me the butchering this. It's spelled O-U-A-I, hair care. And this is a leave-in conditioner. And that's what that looks like. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to use this because of my locks. I might definitely try it, but this is definitely something that my daughter and my son can get into. They have curly hair that's prone to frizz, so a nice leave-in conditioner works with them perfectly. It says it is a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Well, we like our hair detangled up in here. Well, at least I do. So I think maybe I'll let my kids try this out. But definitely, I love when I get a box that, even if it's something that I can't necessarily use, at least one of the kids or my boo can definitely get some use out of it. So they can check that one out. Next up, let's see, we have the Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Exfoliant Champagne Charbon. Okay, see, now I done jumped into a whole different language, you all. Let's see. So this is a charcoal scrub. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. See, I'm definitely all about the scrubs and exfoliating and moisturizing. And like I said, summer's coming up, so we need to get our skin right. You know, a lot of times we slack in the cold months because we're not showing our arms and legs and stuff, but it's time to get it together. And this box definitely knows that. I just want to check the scent on this. I have a couple of charcoal products, but it is sealed, so Now, I'm not really getting anything out of this. Like I said, it is sealed properly, so I might have to crack the top on this later on and get a whiff of that. But yes, I'm definitely all for the scrubs and body polishes and all that stuff, because like I said, we got to get ourselves right. Oh, is this what I think it is? I hope so. And by the way, you all, they have everything packaged up nice and secure, which I can definitely appreciate. Oh, this is from a company called Dulux, and this I picked out because, again, I like a cute bag and I love sunglasses. And they had the most adorable backpack, and I said I had to get that. They also had the option of a really, really cute robe, but I already own a robe that I like. So if you put up a robe versus a backpack, I'm definitely going with the backpack. And this is what it looks like. You have to excuse her, she was folded up, so once you put your items in there, she's definitely gonna puff out. And I love mini backpacks. I have quite a few of them. I use them just about every day. I like purses too. I like all kinds of bags. But right now, I've been really, really into mini backpacks. Okay, so there she is, fluffed out a little more. I love the design. I don't have a bag this color. I do like the little fasten in the front, the little snap. And it looks like she does have a pocket on the inside. And this is good for, you know, just throwing some things in your bag and maybe your hands are full. I love to keep a backpack for when I'm going to the grocery store, because when I have to carry grocery bags, I don't want to have to worry about my, you know, my purse strap on my shoulder. So I like that I'm able to just throw this bag on and keep my hands free. So yeah, she's gonna get some use this spring and summer. I really like that design. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was everything except the empty box. Again, this was the spring 2019 FabFitFun box. My first impressions, I absolutely love this box. I can't wait for summer. I'm giddy already. I can only imagine the goodies that are going to be in there. Again, I'm going to have the link to FabFitFun down in the description box down there somewhere, so you guys can definitely check them out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.